Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite teacher, Kayi Harrison. Last week when we had our trivia, I promised I would be bringing my siblings on today. So here we have with us.
Hey guys, I'm Ree.
Hello everyone, this is Sash.
Hi guys, I'm Sasha, Kayi's favorite sister.
That was my favorite.
Sister.
Okay, so today I am going to ask the questions. They are going to answer. You're going to answer at the same time because they're writing theirs down, and then I'm going to tell the correct answer. And they will have the answers that they chose and whether they got it correct or not. From time to time, you will see me looking up because my questions are on the board in front of me. So get your pencils and your books ready. Let's go.
Ooh, no pressure.
So today's version is called, Are You Smarter Than a Fourth Grader? Let's roll. Question 1. What is the name of the largest star? Write your answers, guys. They are writing theirs as well.
Is it a trick question?
Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. Who wants to go first? What did you choose?
You go first.
The sun.
So Tasha chose the sun.
I chose the red giant.
Bad. I chose the sun as well.
Okay, so they're all incorrect. So most persons, for some reasons, think that the sun is the largest star, but no, it is not. There's a star that is 1,700 times bigger than the sun, yes, and it is called Uy Scuti. Or
What?
I.
Never heard of.
It's two words. It's spelled U-Y, then the other word is S-C-U-T-I.
It teaches this in school?
Wow, I've never heard of that before. I don't know.
Yeah, I've never heard of
But most persons think it's the sun. All right, so they're one down. Nobody got that correct. Question 2. They should be easier. Who invented the TV? Who invented the television? We watch it every day. We take it for granted. We need to know who invented it.
Don't know.
Remember, you're writing your answers down too because you're competing against them. They are very smart, but let's see how smart they are.
Be
Are
careful.
we ready?
that. You go.
Who wrote John Logie Bear?
I-D-K.
Be honest.
I-D-K. I don't know.
I thought it was Abraham, and I was deciding between Abraham Lincoln and I no, that doesn't make sense.
Abraham who?
Abraham, I'm like, that definitely don't make sense. So I think I'm totally off track here.
What did you write?
Abraham, I don't know.
Charles Jenkins or something like that.
No.
Who?
John Logie Baird invented the television.
My God.
Only one person?
Well, you know, most inventions have other persons who are involved. What are the names of Christopher Columbus's 3 ships? If you don't know all 3, then go with 1 or 2.
Or none.
I know one of them is named after lady, or is lady in another language.
I'll give you a clue. It's not lady, it's girl.
Girl, okay.
Are we ready?
Ray, go first.
No,
Yes.
I have no idea.
What's that?
All right. Pinta.
Did you write them?
Yes.
Okay.
Pinta, Nina, and Santa Maria.
How did you know that, Sash?
Well, one of us have to remember something from Martin's primary, don't?
Third grade.
What did you get, that?
I got Nina and Pinta. That's it.
Good enough.
Way to go,
Enough.
Barton's primary.
Wow.
All right. Moving on to question 4. What is the plural of sheep? One sheep. What's the plural?
Ray, you must know this one. You have
What did you get, Ray? Yeah. Did you say?
Sheep.
Awesome. What did
Yeah.
Sash, did you get that?
That's right.
That's what I got.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my God, finally one.
Yeah, sheep is not pluralized with an S, guys. So one sheep, 1,000 sheep, no S. All right, good job. Let's go to 5. A group of fish. What is a group of fish called? Barton's Primary. Again, that's where I learned this one.
Yes, I remember this one.
Yeah, I think I remember this one too.
Write it down. Yeah, write it down. Remember, you need to count how many you get out of 15 in the end.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Got it.
All right, ready? Who wants to go first? Go, Sasha.
Is it a school?
Okay. What
Yeah,
did you?
That's what I wrote as well.
that's what I
All
wrote
right,
too.
a school is correct. It's either a school or a shoal. SHOAL. School is correct. So a school of fish, a shoal of fish. All right. Good job again, guys. We cannot get this one wrong. So all my Jamaican peeps, get ready. What is the name of the national tree of Jamaica?
Let's all say that aloud. Let's sing a song.
Rihanna, write it down. You can't look like that. National tree of Jamaica.
See, I know everything
This is
else.
going to be an
Tree. I know the bird. I know the flower. I know even.
Are we ready?
But not
yeah.
Ray, you have to.
Go first.
Ray,
Go Sash.
the blue maho.
Sasha,
have
that's
it.
your hand.
You have.
What did you have?
I wrote that I know everything else except that.
All right, so now you know the national tree is the blue maho. So last week we did the national flower, which is Ignite. This week we do the national tree, which is the blue maho. So learn your symbols. More questions coming up on that next week. All right. How many muscles does an adult human have? How many muscles does an adult human have?
That's not fair. Munchi's going to know this one.
You write it down, Ray, and you're going
Let's
first.
see if she knows it. So guys, this is Sasha's specialty. She is an occupational therapist. So let's see if she knows this.
Don't embarrass yourself. Don't embarrass us.
Oh, guys, no pressure.
Let's go, Sasha.
Okay, you go first. She should go last because she.
Okay, go ahead.
Ray,
Go last. Yeah.
Go ahead, Sash.
Ray,
I had 35.
What do you have, Sash?
a lot.
Sasha?
I'm pretty sure there's over 600.
Awesome, but 650 muscles.
I got
All
that correct.
right,
A lot.
let's move on. What is a 5-sided shape called? A polygon with 5 sides. What do we call it?
That-
Primary school
I feel bad
again.
for Ray. This is not English, okay?
It's not octagon because that's 8. It's not.
I like Rena's expression. She's going back right into her seat at Barton's Primary School.
Listen, maths always make me go crazy.
Yeah.
All right, so guys, the mathematician in the family is Sinead. So let's see if she gets this one. Let's go.
No, I should go last because I am the mathematician.
Okay. All right. Who wants to go first? Let's go, Ray.
I had hexagon.
No, let's
try.
go. Sasha, what did you choose?
Pentagon.
What did
All
you
right.
choose? Pentagon is correct. So
You know, so
hexagon.
that is what I had. Pentagon.
You know that?
But I say no, it's not Pentagon.
You know, because the way I remember that is because in DC you have the Pentagon. That's 5.
Yeah, and the shape of it. Yes.
So that, and then the bottom.
I could have got that. I could have gotten that one.
All right. So hexagon, what I do to remember hexagon, it's really 6 sides. So X and 6. Those X's. I use that to remind me that that's hexagon. So pentagon, 5 sides. All right, moving on. How many teeth should a healthy adult have? How many teeth should a healthy adult have?
Should.
Should. Notice I say healthy and should because we lose our teeth. So if you're healthy, you have all your teeth. How many should you have as an adult? Are we ready?
Ray.
Me first?
Yes.
32.
Sash.
32.
Yeah, 32. 32.
Guys, so an adult should have 32 teeth if they don't lose any. Next question.
I'm so mad about Pentagon.
Next
Next
question.
time.
Name the teeth and tell how many of each. So
Okay.
we should have 32. So you're going to name each type and then how many of that type. Yes.
What do you mean?
So our teeth have different names. We know that, right?
Like groups.
They are in groups. So like you would have 4 of one or 8 of one or whatever of one.
So you learned this in primary school?
No, I didn't learn this in primary school. I learned this when I was studying dentistry with my grandfather.
Oh, okay.
We did not have that opportunity. Okay, just saying.
Sasha, do you have any idea?
I'm blanking a little bit. So I know they're canines, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We have the incisors. Is that what it's called? Incisors? Back here.
Don't touch. Don't.
Where are they? Oh boy. Premolars, right?
The molars and the premolars are to the back. So the bigger ones to the back, those are the molars. After the molars coming forward, we have the premolars. They look like the molars, but they are not as big. Then they call these the dog teeth. They are the canine teeth. And then the ones to the extreme front, those are the incisors. So, for the molars, we have 12 of them. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 6 at the bottom on at each side, 3 on each side, and 6 at the top, 3 on each side. We have 4 canines. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 8 incisors, 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom, and then we have 8 premolars as well. 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay, I would get half point.
All right. So let's move on. I'm going to talk about continents. How many continents are there? Primary school. Barton's primary again. How many
I know
continents?
this. I know this.
Okay.
Together, let's sing this.
It's how many?
That's 2,
No.
3.
How many? Oh, how many? So what number is that right?
7.
7.
Yeah.
Correct. We are going to name them. That's number 12. Can we name them?
Yes.
Okay, so take a minute. All right, write down the name of the 7 continents. So now you know it's 7. Write the names down.
I'm blanking on one. Oh, got it.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Got it.
Ready?
I'll
I
go
can't
last.
remember one.
You can't remember one?
Yes.
Who will go last?
I'll go last.
Okay. You have all 7, Sasha?
Yeah,
You have 7, Sash?
I think I have 6.
6. Okay, go. Let's hear you.
Okay. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe,
Hmm?
Australia. No. Yeah.
Australia, yeah.
And it's another A. It's 3
You
A's.
said it.
Antarctica? Is that right?
Antarctica. It's actually 4 A's.
Oh,
I did
yeah,
not get
Asia.
Antarctica. I forgot about Antarctica.
Oh, yeah.
Which one is Ray?
I had all of them, but it took me a while to remember Europe. Can you imagine?
The one you
I had it
visited
in
the most.
order. I had North America, South America, Asia, Antarctica, Africa, Australia, and I'm like, oh my God, which is the 7th? And then I'm like, oh,
Guys,
Europe.
she visited Europe last year.
Too, Ray. That's the last one I wrote.
She toured Europe for one week. Was it 1 week or 2?
2 weeks.
For 2 weeks last year. And she forgot to add that to other continents. They're going to put her out of Europe this time.
That's funny.
All right. So it's Asia, Australia, Antarctica, Africa, 4 A's, Europe, then North and South America. Who knows the name of the largest one? What's it?
Asia.
What's it? Asia. Asia is the largest. So what I do to remember, Asia has ASIA, 4 letters. It's the shortest name, but it's the biggest one. And that's what I always tell my kids. The one with the shortest name, that's the biggest continent. One of them is an island. Who knows which one?
Australia.
Australia. It is known as the island continent. And you know that an island is surrounded by water. So Australia is known as the continent. All right. So, question 13. We're almost there, guys. What is the name of the world's largest desert? What is the name of the world's largest desert?
Oh, I know.
That's the one that went to Jamaica the other day. The dust from it went to Jamaica.
It was that one, right? That's what I have written down.
I think so.
Are you sharing your answers in my class?
No, we're not.
Teamwork.
Sorry, teacher.
All right. So what is the name of it?
Sahara.
It's the Saharan Desert.
Yeah.
Anybody knows where it's located?
Africa.
The motherland, of course.
You said the motherland. So the Saharan Desert is the largest desert in the world. And every year, dust travels from there to other countries or other parts of the world. However, 2020 has seen its worst, especially in the Caribbean areas. So the dust formed clouds in some Caribbean areas. Okay, 14 is the male part of a flower called. So last week we did the female part of the flower. Now I'm asking what is the male part. So yes, a flower needs a male part and a female part in order to reproduce. Well, some flower. So what's the male part called?
I knew this, but I don't remember.
I think you mentioned this in your last video.
Can I make a call to my cousin real quick?
No, no.
I think Carol would know this.
Yeah.
Big up, Carol.
You.
Last week I did female part session. I did say I'm going to ask about the male part this week. So
Wait, so, okay, because what I'm thinking might be the female part then, or the whole.
what are you thinking?
Pistol?
Pistol is the female part.
Yes, that's what I remember watching your video and learning that.
Right. So pistol is the female part. Okay, guys. So the male part is the stamen. S-T-A-M-E-N.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
I always tell my students, remember M-E-N. Men. That's the male part. Stamen.
Look at that.
It is made up of the anther and the filament. So
Yes.
the male part, stamen. Anther, filament. Okay, the final one, and I'm going back to Barton's Primary School. How many months have 31 days?
You want to sing it?
Zuri counting. She's checking them.
How many? Okay.
She said 8. She's probably correct, but I'm not sure. Look at Ray.
Leave it.
She is so studious. Are we ready? How many did you write, Ray? 6. Sash.
My daughter said 8.
Sasha.
7.
7 is correct. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
How?
30 days of September. Let's go together. 30 days of September, April, June, and November. All the rest has 31 except February alone that has 28 clear and 29 in each leap year.
I don't know why I had August having 30 days.
Uh,
I don't know why I had August having 30 days. I didn't count August.
oh, all right. So go ahead and check your score. How many did you get?
This
Guys,
is embarrassing.
to be checking your scores as well, and I need you to text me and tell me how many you got correct out of 15.
Do we need to say that out loud?
Yes. Are you smarter than a 4th grader? What did you get, Sasha?
I got 8 right.
How many?
Bad. She got 8. 8. How many you got, Ray?
Sheep, school, 600 souls, pentagon.
I got everything. I didn't get
9.
Pentagon and the last one.
And sun, the first one as well.
And the sun. How many you get, Sash?
9.
We all got
Woohoo! So Sash is our winner of the siblings group. But let's see how many of you beat them. 8, Ray got 6, and Sash got 9. Good job, guys. Thanks for joining me. Hope you can do this another time. And my students out there, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.